Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn a simple program in Scratch. Okay. So what I am doing on screen, please watch and remember the steps. Okay. This is your desktop screen. I am opening Scratch here. Okay. Maximize button you press, then it will open the new program of Scratch. Okay, so that day I told this is a sprite, this is a sprite, but which program I am going to teach now, in that program I don't need this cat. By default this cat you will get on the screen, okay, on this programming area, but I don't want, so I will first delete it. How to delete it? Just I will bring your mouse pointer on the sprite, right click your mouse and click on delete. Okay, it is disappeared. Now suppose I want to make a program for exercising robot. Okay, exercising robot. For that purpose, in our library there is no robot like that, so I will draw it. So where I can draw, you just see students, here new sprites, 3 stars are there. On first star there is a symbol of brush. If you want to paint a new sprite, you can click here. Just I am clicking. Okay, new paint editor window will open. From there I can draw any type of sprite, any figure I can draw. Okay, just I am drawing a robot like sprite. Okay, just I click on the square. Okay, this square I am taking, which is empty, only outline square. Okay, I drawn this box. After that for neck, like that simple box. After that for stomach, again one big box, rectangle just. Okay, then for leg I am taking this type of rectangle. Already you have worked in paint, so you know how to draw in paint. Okay, both legs should be same. Then for hands, these hands I drawn. Length of both hands should be same approximately. Okay, just I click it. Then I want circle for eyes, so I clicking on circle. See, one eye becomes circular and one become square, so I will undo it. Okay, you can use this undo option for if you made anything wrong, again you can correct it. Okay, okay, then again I will click on this line and just one nose and one, again I will do undo, straight, and then this is mouth. Okay, so this is a rough figure only. Now I will color it, I will fill color in it. Okay, I will clicking on this fill color window, then I will take any color. Just I am taking this color, then skin color for hands, for legs and for face also. Okay, then I am clicking on OK. So here is my robot is ready. Now what I will do, students, come on this area where you have to write a script, but before writing script we will click on this costume tab. See here I am showing by mouse pointer. Okay, click on costume and here you will get the sprite as it is. Okay, but we have to take the next step of exercise. So what I will do, I will copy this same costume. Okay, so here I got the another same one, but I don't want this. I will make some changes in it. So I will click on edit. See here edit option is there. Just I click on edit. Again same robot open in paint editor. Now I will make some changes. So I will click on eraser. Okay, I click on eraser. I will rub the hands. Okay, you have to take care while rubbing the hand. Other portion you have to not rub. Then like that I will rub legs also. Now again I will draw. Just click on this rectangle tool and draw legs. Sorry, I will click on undo this rectangle, empty rectangle I want. So I will not with rectangle, I will draw with line. Okay, I will click on line tool and I will draw legs using the line tool. Okay, very simple way you have to draw it. Okay, another leg like that same way. Take same length. Okay, and then I will take hands like that. Hands also I will take. Okay, okay. Now again I will fill color. 1 minute, students. So okay students, now we have to fill color again same way, fill the color. I will do undo because that border has color, so I will fill color here, so it will take only in hand, not in outline. Okay, now this is my picture is ready. I will click on OK. See, now we have two sprites, one is in this position and other is this position. Okay, now I will write a program. For writing a program, click on script. Okay, here script option is there, click there. Okay, first command we will take from this control block. That day we saw commands block. Here control block is here. I click on it, it is in yellow color. First command is when flag click, when green flag click. This command I just drag and drop here. Click it, drag it and drop it here. Okay, after that next command I will take from same block. This is command wait a second. Okay, wait a second. Then next command I will take from this looks option. Okay, in looks option you will get next costume. Click on it, next costume. Okay, now I will see what happened. Just I will click this flag. See, green flag is there on your screen. Click it. What will happen you see it change. So same action, suppose I have to take it 10 times. Same action I have to take it 10 times. So I will click on this control again, control block. Then I will take it repeat command. Drag this repeat command and put it above the wait command. Okay. But here is number given repeat 10. So I will click on that 10 and I will change it 20. Okay. Now again I will see what happened. Just click on this flag and see what is happening. This robot is doing exercise now. Okay. But it is very slowly. So again what I am doing, this time I will first stop it. Click on red button, stop it and wait 1 second. Command is here. Instead of 1 second we will do 0.5. Okay, 0.5, that means half minute. Okay, half minute I am doing. Now again we will try. Just click on green flag. Okay, see what is happening. Now the exercise it is doing is fast. That same step it is doing fast. So it has done for 20 times. It has same step repeated for 20 times. Okay. So like this any number you can put, or forever command is here. Using this forever command you can infinite time, up to when you will stop, up to that time it will do same step. This robot will do same step. Now you can save this program. Okay. For saving the program, what you have to do, students, just click on file option. On the top of the screen here 4 tabs are there: file, edit, share and help. Among that first tab, file, click on it. Okay. Just click on save as. New window will open. Here you have to type name of your program. I am typing robot. Okay, robot exercise, like that we can type robot exercise. This name I given and click on OK. It will be saved. Next time when you will open it, you will get the program, same program. Okay, that time you have to click on file and open. So same program you will get. See this program. robot exercise. Click OK, it will open. Get it clear? So practice, do it on your computer, practice it very well, and new innovations in the same program you can do, dancing robot like that. Okay? So thank you so much, students. Close the Scratch window. Okay? Thank you so much.